Hello. Oh, I look very flushed. It's very warm. Okay, so this is the draw that was meant to be taking place last night, but we just put it off until tonight. No, this isn't tonight, until today. So we still haven't announced the winners, obviously, of the mini truck bundle, the Tang Tools and the Milwaukee. So if you were wondering, had you won any of them, we still don't know who has won. So we're going to do that now. Dominic's in. How are you, Dominic? And Sandra Cahill. How are you, Sandra? You're very welcome back. It is a very stormy, wet Saturday morning. Is it still morning? It's afternoon now. But hopefully it'll dry up later because it was gorgeous yesterday. Sandra, good, thanks. How are you? Michael O'Sullivan's joining us as well. How are you, Mike? So we are doing the draw in this order. We're going with the mini truckers bundle first. That's all the toys for the kids. Then we're doing the Tang Tools, and then we're doing the Milwaukee kit. Sarah Cahy, hi Sarah, you're very welcome. Daniel Risby's here as well, and Michael O'Sullivan saying hi. Sammy. Steve Meskel is in as well. How are you, Steve? Logan, afternoon, Sammy, how are you? And Zara, nature, loveliness, fine afternoon. Maybe it's a fine afternoon where you are, Logan, but it would nearly blow you away outside here. Rory O'Brien's tuning in County Cavan. How's the New Holland going for you, Rory? Jake or Joe in too, Joe Dickinson and Francis Hackett. Right, so at that, we're going to turn this around and we're going to have to look at the time. There is the clock and it is 12:28, so nearly 12:30 in the afternoon, Saturday the 29th of October. Republic Day in Turkey. As you can see there, it's a Republic Day in Turkey and a World Stroke Day. So must be raising awareness for strokes. Dundalk switches to daylight. Oh no, that's totally different. Okay, so 12:30 it is. Liam Brennan saying hi, Sally. I take it Liam has seen the video on our Facebook page. Yeah, guys, there's a very good skit on the Facebook page. Myself and Big Dog, I'm doing my interview. I'm hiring for the upcoming season, and Big Dog is in doing his interviews. You can check out how he got on the Facebook page. Joe Dickinson also saying hi, Sally. I have a feeling this Sally thing might stick. Sean Grant as well. Sammy, looking well, thank you. I'm very flushed. I was riding the horse. I'm just off the horse. Don O'Donnell says hi, Sammy. How you, Donna? And Aoife Cummins here too. I seen it on TikTok. I'm doing it in 3 different parts on TikTok, Aoife, but if you want to see the whole lot together, the whole lot together is on the Facebook page. There's our wee Violet. How you, Violet? Okay, so I was clicking away there, and each time the number, as you can see, lands on a number between those two numbers that I have in the minimum and maximum box. So we're going to do the mini truckers bundle first. I'm going to put 1 in the minimum box, and I'm going to put 497 in the maximum box because that is the amount of tickets in this mini truckers bundle. And let's see who is going to win. Who is number 21? Who's Santa going to be visiting this year with a mini truckers bundle? So here's my spreadsheet for the mini truckers bundle, and I have to go all the way down to number 21. We're looking at the right hand column here. That is the ticket numbers, and all the way down to 21. And we have Ray O'Driscoll. Is that right? Ray O'Driscoll. And zoom in there. And yeah, Ray. Congratulations, Ray O'Driscoll. Santa's going to be very generous in your house this year. So congratulations to you and the kids. And or sure, maybe you're keeping it for yourself. Okay, let's move on. Tang Tools we're going to do next. I'll just go back to the number generator. And we're going to put 2 random numbers in here. I'm going to hit generate there to get everything evened out. And I'm hitting away. Defo Sally will stick, says Tommy Toy. I have a feeling Sally will definitely stick. Well, Sam, wet day here in Cavan. Yeah, wet here too. Yeah, wet. Well, Kieran Hickey, he's in as well. And who is in County Cavan? Brian Fleming. How are you, Brian? Violet says, well, Sammy, serious video you had up. Violet's talking about the interview with Big Dog. So if you haven't seen it, get on to TikTok or Facebook page and check it out. Okay, so we're going to go with the Tang Tools. I'm going to put 1 in the minimum box, and I'm going to put 897. 897 in the maximum box. I'm going to hit generate, and I get number 538. So number 538, let's get my spreadsheet here for the Tang Tools. There we are, and we're looking at the right hand column, going down to number 538 to see if it was a number that they'd sell. It didn't. I'm going to zoom in there so you can see we have Niall Hickey is 537 and Frank Woods is 539. But unfortunately, or fortunately for those of you who's watching, there is no winner with number 538. So look at the generate button there. I'm going to hit it once more. 685 is the next one. So 685 for the Tang Tools. Let's go back in here and see if number 685 sold. And it didn't. We have James Smullen there and Mike Delaney either side. So back over, hit generate. 807. So let's see if 807 was a number that sold. We're looking at the right hand column and we have this time Shane Beattie. I'm going to just zoom down, scroll her down there so you can see. Shane Beattie, good man Shane. Third time lucky, huh? Just writing your name down here. Shane Beattie with lucky number 807. Congratulations Shane. Took 3 goes to get it, but we got there in the end, lads. Noel Tagg is in. How are you? Brendan Mooney, John Hicks, all tuning in. Sean Quinn. 'Twas like a love-hate drama, says Kieran Hickey. You don't mean love-hate that's on RTE, do you? Because then that would mean we'd have to start taking out the guns and the Range Rovers. we'll keep it family friendly, Kieran. Okay, so Milwaukee kit last but not least. I'm going to put 1 in the minimum box again. And I'm going to put 997 in the maximum box because that's the amount of tickets there was. Okay, here we go. Generate. And we got number 380. So here is my spreadsheet for the Milwaukee kit. So I'm looking for number 380 in the right-hand column. Keep your eyes peeled, lads, for number 380. And we get it straight away with Pat McMahon. Good man, Pat. You have won that Milwaukee kit with number 380. So congratulations. Pat McMahon with number 380 won the Milwaukee kit. Shane Beattie won the Tang Tools with number 807. And Ray O'Driscoll won the Mini Truckers Bundle with lucky number 21. With new prize went up on the website yesterday. We had the quad kit and the chainsaw kit that goes with the chainsaw kit and the brand new timber trailer on the back there. It's on early bird for $10.97, so you can get yourself a $5 off. It won't stay in early bird for too long, so get your tickets bought while you can. We still have the Volvo truck up there. It's selling away, and the digger, the Hitachi 130 LCN, ZX 130 LCN is up there too. And we've loads and loads of smaller prizes, especially coming up to Christmas. We've Lego sets, we've computer games, we've the juicer, we've chainsaw welding kits, and of course the cash prizes, the Dyson Supersonic Special Edition hairdryer, a home office bundle. So there's loads there to keep you interested and going. Paul says, go on Sammy, how are you Paul? Go on Paul. Oliver Crossy's in there. Sore head Sammy, says Peter Cranston. A couple of Guinnesses had last night, Peter. How's about you Sammy, says Thomas Guinan. How are you Thomas? So that's it, lads. Congratulations to our 3 winners. I have to get back out here to my horses. Look at the big flushed head on me. It's actually warm. It's raining, it's windy, but it's quite warm. So congratulations. As I said, we had that wee video, that skit that went up on the Facebook page, the interview with Big Dog. So check it out if you haven't seen it. It's on the Facebook page and it's on my TikTok, Sammy Lucky Day Comp. So check them out. Enjoy your Saturday and your Sunday, and we'll talk to you soon.